Starting lineup. Well, as a team, Lee, they love to apply almost suffocating pressure. Based on the lineup, do you expect the same approach today?
Yeah, I think so, Derek. It makes it really difficult for the opponents to find their rhythm unless their touch is absolutely perfect. It forces mistakes, so I'd expect we'll be seeing plenty of that from them today.
And the Barcelona shape looks like this. Marc-Andre ter Stegen starts in goal. Piqué starts alongside Clément Lenglet in the centre of defence. And the defenders had better be on their toes because leading the line is Luis Suarez. Good ball movement and a decent position here for Barcelona. Must score! Pitch side, Jeff.
I've got to say, he landed really heavily on his shoulder there and looks like he's in severe pain. But he looks less...
Messi! And a goal it is, the opener in this game.
Well, keep it tight, that's what both managers would have been saying. But now the opening goal's gone in. Tactics have got to change. Well, Derek, this is why coaches tell you to stop the cross from coming in. But they didn't get tight enough and were punished for it.
Well, the goal again, albeit from a different angle. Happen. Definitely look as though they want to make this move count. Well, the post getting in the way there. Artur, Sergio Busquets, Messi, firing it towards goal. Now Brozovic, Barella has it. Eriksson, Inter have given away possession. Interesting idea from Suarez. Lionel Messi! And it's in! A goal for Barcelona! A goal for the Blaugrana! Can they be stopped now?
Well, here it is again. It's just a perfectly weighted ball in behind and not a bad finish either. Great goal.
Slightly different vantage point in terms of the goal that was scored.
Well, there's nothing better for a manager when a plan comes together. Total satisfaction.
De Jong. It is to be a throw-in. Very good use of advantage there by the official, letting the play carry on. And then only subsequent play here. The ball with Martinez. Now Brozovic. Young. Good technique displayed. And easy meat for the keeper, given... And the cross is very much on. Gliding through the gears. Alexis Sanchez. Lukaku in position. And this time, it's in!
Well, it's good play. Ian Wright always told me, stand in the middle of the goal. It sounds simple, but you don't have to get a lot of goals from that position.
Let's have another view of that goal. He's protecting it well. Lukaku. Eriksson. Going well. And this is Brozovic. Lukaku! Magnificent stuff. And quite the comeback from 2 goals down.
Well, the pass makes the goal, Derek. Good finish, yes, but the ball through was brilliant. Slide rule pass.
Well, the goal again, albeit from a different angle.
Well, it's not easy being a manager, and that's why. They've let him down a bit there.
Now Brozovic. Still passing it around with authority. Young. Useful cross towards the near post. And everyone in the centre looking on as it sailed over them. Targets available. Eriksen's cross. Back from the byline. And a goal!
Stop the supply, you stop the goal. We learned that one at school, Derek. Poor defending here.
Slightly different vantage point in terms of the goal that was scored. Clever attack from Luis Suarez. The cross is on. And he has been ruled offside here. Can't have been by an awful lot.
Oh, I'm not so sure, but the linesman's got a better view than I have. The players need their support to get him over the line.
Vecino. Will he find the net? And they've only gone and applied that finishing touch.
Well, as we can see, the keeper's done his best, but there's nothing he can do from there. He's not going to miss that one.
Well, let's go back to the goal that was scored.
La formazione dello United con De Gea, Shaw, Maguire, Lindelof, Bisaka, Fred e Pogba, centrocampo con Fernandes, Martial, James, Rodriguez e Rashford in attacco. Per la formazione della Juve con Szczesny in porta, Sandro, De Ligt, Chiellini, Quadrato, in centrocampo Khedira, Pjanic, Matuidi, Bernardeschi e Ronaldo, Dybala in attacco. Tenta il dribbling Alessandro in aria, fa palla verso Pjanic, Bernardeschi, il tiro, Khedira lo toglie la palla, Khedira, Alessandro, il cross, il colpo di testa di finte su Bisaka, De Ligt, Ronaldo, l'ex, Dybala al tiro, ma troppo debole. Dribbling, passaggio verso Bernardeschi, Khedira ora, tiro! Alessandro, Pjanic, ancora lui. Ancora Matuidi, colpo di tacco, Bernardeschi a Dybala al tiro. Blocca portoghese, tutto, Martial, Rashford, dalla palla, Fernandes, il tiro! Il cross a cercare Rashford. Ultimi minuti. Matuidi, ancora Matuidi in aria. Matuidi tenta il cross. Ma c'è partita, risale al 2003 quando lo United batte la Juve per 3-0 a delle Alpi. Il cross intanto, ma Fernandes dallo United. Martial spinge sulla fascia, dribbling secco su Quadrato. Ancora Shaw spinge solo il cross, cercare Pogba, non ce l'ha fatta. James ora in aria, ancora James, il cross, colpo di testa, far fuori Khedira, ma lo United con Igalo, nuovo entrato in aria con Rashford, il cross e il colpo di testa. Centrocampo Ramsey, Dybala in aria, serie di finte, Dybala al tiro, ma c'è Higuain, gol incredibile, ma segnalazione di fuorigioco di Gonzalo Higuain ed era fuori. serie di finte, Dybala verso Pjanic. Pjanic tenta di trovare Ramsey verso la Juventus che sta pressando lo United in aria con Bentancur, serie di finte, Bentancur ancora lui in aria, il tiro, gol! Gol! Grande gol di Aaron Ramsey, l'ex Arsenal che castiga lo United. Gran gol di Ramsey che fa fare la Juventus proseguire questo torneo nella semifinale, perché era il golden goal. Gol grazie all'incursione di Higuain a pescare nell'area Ramsey che ha segnato.
Potevamo stupirvi con effetti speciali e colori ultra vivaci. Ok, basta così, ma noi siamo scienza, non fantascienza. Del resto il palcolor l'abbiamo inventato noi. Noi siamo Telefunken. La nostra filosofia è una qualità costante nel tempo.
Telefunken, qualità costante nel tempo.
Non so voi, ma io bevo Aperol.
The Real Madrid lineup. Thibaut Courtois starts in goal. Sergio Ramos plays with Rafael Varane in central defence. Toni Kroos starts with Luka Modric in the centre of the park. Karim Benzema is the lone striker today. Manuel Neuer starts in goal. David Alaba starts with Jerome Boateng in central defence. Thiago plays with Joshua Kimmich in midfield. Robert Lewandowski is the main striker today. Could whip it in from here.
And Neuer saves.
Lewandowski. Thomas Müller. Goretzka. Robert Lewandowski. Trying to find the opening, which would be so crucial. Left the defenders trailing now. Here's a chance. Bayern Munich have scored. So slick, so quick, Alan.
Well, once he got going, those defenders were never going to catch him. What a finish too.
Another angle on it here.
Nothing the manager can do at the moment. His team have lost momentum. They're also losing this match.
Alaba. Thiago. Bayern Munich shifting the ball around cleverly now. It was an interesting pass, wasn't it? Ramos. But it didn't get... Modric. Modric. Pass threaded through. And the referee looks to his assistant, who's got the flag up. It's offside.
It's the order of the day now, as they load the box.
Taking on the defenders. Time to get the ball in. Still a chance. Space to cross the ball now. Did well to get the ball in, but they need more than that in the middle. Now Gnabry. Trying to pick out Lewandowski. The post!
U issa naw informazzjonijiet. Paris Saint-Germain nafas bejn il-lasti, Meunier, Marquinhos, Silva u Bernat id-difensuri, iż-żewġ midfielders Marco Verratti u Idrissa Gueye, fil-waqt li fuq quddiem għandna lil Mbappé, Cavani, Icardi u Neymar Jr. l-aqwa plejer tal-Antonello Sports Block FIFA 20 Challenge Tournament sissa. Minna ħalora Liverpool FC li ser ikunu jilabu minn Trent Alexander-Arnold li weġġa fil-logħba li għaddiet se jilabu b'dil formazzjoni. Alisson Beale Lasti, Joe Gomez, Matip, Van Dijk u Robertson id-difensuri. It-tlet midfielders li huma James Milner, il-kaptan Henderson u Fabinho u fuq quddiem it-trio delle Meraviglia tal-Liverpool, Roberto Firmino, Mohamed Salah u Sadio Mane. Mane minn fuq il-xellok. Imur il-cross, Jordan Henderson il-ballon u jiklirjaw f'korner il-difensuri ta' Paris. B'dan il-free kick. Għal darbohra Mane bil-ballon ix-xoldu barra. Tim ta' Paris Saint-Germain, Icardi, Neymar, Icardi. Bdil tal-ballon bejn il-pupazz ta' Rosario u l-istilla ta' Santos. Neymar imurant Neymar, attenzjoni minn fuq ix-xellu kalli Mbappe, shot Kylian! Mbappe! Wahab xej Paris Saint-Germain, wara 20 minuta lob. Azzjoni maħduma tajjeb mill-players tal-Paris Saint-Germain li permezz taħħa Kylian Mbappe eleb il-Alisson Becker u skurja it-tielet gol tiegħu fl-Antonello Sports Blog FIFA 20 Challenge Tournament. Id-disappunt tal-manager ta' Champions tad-dinja Jurgen Klopp. Is-saħħa tat-tim Pariġin hija kollha fuq l-attakk stratosferiku li għandhom. Neymar għal darbohra minn fuq ix-xellok jilqa' Alisson Becker. Icardi 3 minuti ta' ħin miżjud. Paris Saint-Germain bit-ċans li jigwadanjaw il-metri shot Cavani Edison! Cavani! Tnejn b'xejn Paris Saint-Germain. Għal darbohra ballun illi Liverpool FC soffrew mill-linja tal-lemin. U għal darbohra Edison Cavani jiskurja. Anki għal Cavani bħalma ġara b'Mbappe dan huwa t-tielet gol tiegħu f'dan it-turnament. U ċertament li Liverpool Fabinho, Salah, Wijnaldum, Salah għal darbohra. Jilqa' Keylor Navas. Paris Saint-Germain, Di Maria, Cavani, Mbappe. Jilqa' hemmhekk Alisson, Klein, Wijnaldum, Klein. Il-cross, Firmino barra. Però Mbappe jieħu l-ballon minn naħa l-oħra. Moynier bil-ballon. Il-cross jilqa' Alisson u jitfa' corner. Neymar, Bernat. Di Maria, attenzjoni x-xott jilqa' Alisson għal darbohra.